All right, Chevelle fans, here's a 1968 Chevelle SS two-door hardtop. This particular vehicle would have started as an SS, is a true SS car, 138 VIN on it, so we can confirm that. Appears that it was a 396 car. It now has a 454 underneath the hood. That has been bored to a 468. It's got that drag car look and components to it. Transmission turbo 400 is paired up with that 468. Also has a 4600 stall in it, as well as a translock. Some other things: the battery has been relocated. There's a fuel cell in the rear and a battery shutoff back there. Also, you'll be able to see when we get around to that. As far as paint and bright work, it's nice on this car. See, the chrome bumper is in great shape. Paint is nice on it. Vinyl top also in good shape. Won't be afraid to take this to any of your local cruise-ins, shows. This car will turn heads, no doubt about that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, check out the underside, check out the interior. Engine-based still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Previous owner said they wind those rear fenders instead of tubbing it. And other than that, this car was very, very solid. So started out very nice car. And you can take a look at the underside pictures, see the pans and all of that down there. There is some Hotchkiss suspension components underneath there too, you'll be able to see. All right, what else underneath this hood while we're up here? Hedman headers. Does have a Griffin aluminum radiator, Edelbrock intake, HEI ignition. Does also have NOS. Has never been used, but I believe it's a 150 to 200 shot. And you can see the tank in the trunk, as well as that fuel cell that was located back there. Interior they kept somewhat stock, with the exception of some aftermarket gauges there, and we'll get around to the driver's side and check that out here in a bit. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you're either emailing in or calling us. Flowmaster exhaust in this, good sounding car. And I did mention the vinyl top, also in nice shape, as you can see. And again, you can check out that from every angle in the pictures too. So they did a nice job in the rear of this. The car's straight. Not full of a bunch of dings, nicks, scratches. We have Goodrich Comp TAs in the back, Grand American Racing wheels. Now this car, 11-to-1 compression, by the way, and it will run on what previous owner had been running on is high octane gas. So your premium 92 to 100 octane, so your highest octane premium you can find, an octane booster with it. So it will run fine on that. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior to show you a little more. It reminds me, it does have a reverse valve body. Door cards, carpeting, seats, vinyl, all also in nice shape. There's your Simpson racing harness setup, and as you can see, cage in it. It does have the removable bar on the side here, but the door, so it's a lot easier getting in and out. Same setup on the other side too. Taking a passenger with you, be able to swing that out, get them in a lot easier. I just have removed it for video purposes and be able to get in and out to start this up, so you can hear it run. So let's go ahead and do that. Sorry about that. All right, build up a little fuel pressure. Let it warm up here just a little bit. As you can see, the tack works. Aftermarket gauges. aftermarket stereo. Alright, got it warmed up. I have had the wipers working in this also, by the way. Flip around to the back here a second. Great sounding car. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood so you guys can get a look underneath the hood of this. So give me a second. Let's get the hood popped. Alright, here you go. Take a look at that. 454 and board to a 468. And again, Edelbrock intake, Hedman headers, HCI ignition. Griffin aluminum radiator. There's a fan cowl. There's also a helper fan up front here also. Again, 11 to 1 compression. We'll run on a high octane fuel with octane boost in it. So there you go. You're looking for a nice 1968 Chevelle SS 2-door hardtop. There it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726.